So let's tackle the methods of waste disposal and also the advantages and disadvantages of it. So the first one is landfill. Landfill are neither open dumps nor just some hole in the ground. A basic landfill only involves the covering of solid waste with soil. This is important to reduce the amount of landfill gases, methane and carbon dioxide, mixing up with the air, which can be harmful to the earth and living beings. Releases methane gas. Methane is alongside numerous other toxic gases. It is emitted from landfill sites. As the biodegradable organic waste decomposes, it naturally releases methane, which is a content of greenhouse gas that absorbs heat and contributes to climate change. But the disadvantages of this are expensive, some waste cannot be recycled, technological push needed, separation of useful materials from waste difficult. Incineration is a method of waste treatment involving the burning of organic materials found in waste. Incineration and other high temperature waste management processes are called thermal treatment. Waste incineration involves converting waste materials into ash, flue gas, and heat. The ash mostly consists of inorganic components of waste and can be in the shape of solid lumps or particulates carried by the flue gas. The advantages of waste incineration are reduced quantity of waste, efficient waste management, production of heat and power, reduction of pollution compared to landfills, reduced reliance on transportation, better control over odor and noise, provides better control over odor and noise, prevents the production of methane gas. But the disadvantages of this is due to increasing quantities of waste sent to incineration. Incinerators will emit more toxins and pollutants that harm local air quality. Incineration makes a more significant negative contribution to local air quality than landfill. Waste compaction. Waste compaction is a simple yet highly effective way of dealing with waste materials across the multitude of businesses and industries. Whether you work in construction or retail, the benefits of waste compaction are hard to miss. But for the uninitiated, what benefits does waste compaction actually achieve? The advantages, there are a variety of different benefits to soil compaction, including prevent of soil, settlement of frost and damage, increased ground stability, reduced hydraulic conductivity, and mitigating undesirable settlement of structures such as paved road, foundations, and piping. There are disadvantages of it. Reduce landfill impact. Segregating your waste allows your business to recycle more items, preventing them from ending up in landfills. This, in turn, reduces your overall impact on the environment. So biogas generation is growing steadily. As more people are setting up biogas plants to produce biogas, here's some advantages and disadvantages of biogas that will help you make your mind up about it. Biogas generation reduces soil and water pollution. Overflowing landfills don't only spread foul smells, they also allow toxic liquids to drain into underground water sources. Subsequently, another advantage of biogas is that biogas generation may improve water quality. Moreover, anaerobic digestion deactivates pathogens and parasites. Thus, it's also quite effective in reducing the incidence of waterborne diseases. Similarly, waste collection and management significantly improve in areas with biogas plants. This in turn leads improvements in the environment, sanitation, and hygiene. Disadvantages of this is few technological advancement is unfortunate disadvantage of biogas today is that the systems used in the production of biogas are not efficient. There are no new technologies yet to simplify the process and make it accessible and low cost. This means large scale production to supply for a large population is still not possible. Although the biogas plants are in operating today are able to meet some energy needs, many governments are not willing to invest in the sector. Contains impurities. After refinement and compression, biogas still contains impurities. If the generated biofuel was used to power automobiles, it could corrode the metal parts of the engine. This corrosion would lead it to increased maintenance costs. The gaseous mix is much more suitable for kitchens, stoves, water boilers, and lamps. The advantages of this is it improves structures and health of your soil by adding organic matter, helps the soil retain moisture and nutrients, attracts beneficial organisms to soil and reduces the need for pesticides and fertilizers, reduces the potential for soil erosion. Disadvantages is drawback of composting by products are cost for site preparation and equipment. The lengthy treatment period, targeting final use of compost product, and environmental issues such as odors and dust. Some investment in equipment and site preparation is required or recommended. Composting advantages. Vermicompost has a plethora of benefits, most importantly as follow. Number one, it acts as biofertilizers, restore soil nutrients, stabilities soil, and enhancing soil fertility and a long-term period. Two, it attends to soil issues and recycle waste. And three, it is shown to be a profitable and enterprise as circular economy. The advantages is it composting takes time. It can take as little as 3 months or as long as 6 months for earthworms to digest the organic matter and turn it into a usable soil amendment in vermicomposting bin. Other can be a problem, high maintenance, pest and pathogen problems, and careful harvesting. So let's proceed to solid waste management examples. There are many examples in our solid waste management that been given in the module. So let's talk about it. Sources of solid waste or solid domestic garbage. Domestic waste includes food waste, paper, glass, metal, plastic, textiles, and many more to mention. A large part of domestic waste consists of plant and animal waste such as vegetables, fruit peel, bone and meat waste, and chicken and fish waste, which are considered as wet waste. Waste of material from various industries. Types of industrial waste include dirt and gravel, masonry and concrete, scrap material, oil, solvents, chemical, scrap lumber, even vegetable matter from restaurants. Industrial waste may be solid, semi-solid, or liquid in form. Solid agricultural waste. Agricultural waste produced as a result of various agricultural operations. It includes manure and other wastes from poultry houses and slaughterhouses, harvest waste, fertilizer runoff from fields, pesticides that enter into water, air or soils, and salt and sleet drained from fields. Plastic, glass, metals, e-waste, fridges, freezers, and other cooling equipment, computers, and telecommunications equipment. Consumer electronic devices are solar panels, TVs, monitors, and screens, LED bulbs, vending machines. Medical waste. Medical sharps such as needles and sirens, disposable masks, used bandages and other dressings, body part removed during surgery, samples from tests like blood, pee, or stool, chemicals in treatments or tests, contaminated medical devices. That are the examples of medical waste. Construction waste. Sewage sludge. The term sewage describes raw sewage, sewage sludge, and septic tank waste. Raw sewage is mainly water containing excrement, industrial release, and debris such as sanitary towels, condoms, and plastics. Excrement is the major source of harmful microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Effects of poor solid waste management. Poor waste management, ranging from non-existing collection systems to ineffective disposal, causes air pollution, water and soil contamination. Open and unsanitary landfills contribute to contamination of drinking water and can cause infection and transmit diseases.